Guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anup and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is Array.every method and Array.some method. Both methods are very useful method and it's a opposite of each other. So first of all I will show you what is Array.every method and later I will show you what is Array.some method. So I will go to the HTML file and here you can see I have added one array. This array contains some number value. By the way, it can be contain some string value or boolean value, whatever you want to add here. So now the syntax is, first of all, the array name. For me array name is num. By the way, in your case it can be a different name, so you have to write the array name. So here I will write num because this is my array name, and after that dot, and then method name is every. Okay, so here I will write every. See, it was showing a suggestion. After that parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis here you have to write function. Okay, so this one you have to write, and this is the mandatory thing. If you want to add fetch arrow function, that is the different one, and here I'm not going to show you the fetch arrow function because I haven't completed fetch arrow function. So that's why here I will show you simple function. So here just don't be confused, you have to write here function. This is very simple thing. Okay, just you have to remember all those things. Here nothing is logical, you have to remember. So don't be confused here, just remember the syntax. So function, and after that you have to write again another parenthesis. So see, here I have written another parenthesis, and here just here you can see here this is the one parenthesis, and after this parenthesis I will write the curly braces, and now the syntax is completed. Now here this function, it takes a parameter. Parameter means here I will write one name. This is called parameter. When we write any name inside a function, that is called parameter. So here this name you can write anything, but here always try to write the relevant name. So here see, I will write value. So the short form of value, it is val. So here this parameter denotes all those array values. This is the syntax. Okay, it's in background, it works like all those values. Okay, so that's why here I have written val. By the way, you can write here value like this way, even you can write here a, anything you can write, but when in this method whatever parameter I will write, that will denotes all those array number, I mean array values. So that's why I'm trying to write here this val. Now you have to understand what this method does. So every means it will check each value. Okay, every value, every array values it will check. So now here you can write your condition like I will return, means after checking I will return the output. So that's why here I'm writing return. So that also the mandatory thing, you have to write here return, and after that here I want to check like every array values greater than 0 or not. So here I will write here value greater than 0 or not. So here you can see every array values is greater than 0. So here condition is success. So now I will show you what will be the output. Before that, here I will take one variable because after using this method I will store inside another variable. So the variable name I will write here result, the short form of result, it is res. So now here, by the way, the same way variable name also you can write anything, and now after that I will write here console.log and this res variable, because here after using this method I have stored inside this variable, so I have to display this variable only, right? So now I will do save, and I hope you have understood this method what it does. Means if you want to check anything, means in your array like every values, okay, every values you want to check, so that time we use every method, Array.every method. Now I will save and I will go to the HTML file, I mean in my preview. So here I have to open the console because I printed inside a console, right? And in your case when you will work on the real life project, so that time no need to print in console, but here I am printing in console because just I want to show you the I mean the syntax and the purpose of use this method. So that's why. So now here in the console you can see it is true because condition is now success. But suppose here if I write here 2, So what will be the output? You can guess and you can write in the comment section. If your output is false, so you are right, because see here are every means it will check every values of this array. Okay, so here when I have written every value means here I am just checking every value is greater than 0 or not. So here you can see this 1 is not greater than 0, even the 2 is not greater than 0, 2 is equal to 0. So here 2 times condition is failing. So that's why here it will give you the output is false. Even if it fails only the one time, so that time also it will show the output false. So here first of all here I am checking 2. So let's see, here output is false because it is failing 2 times, 1 and 2, right? But here suppose if I write here 1, so that time also it is failing because 1 is not greater than 1 is equal to 1. So it will fail the condition and it will give the output false. So let's see, so see here false, right? So I hope it is clear, and this is very simple method, right? So now here if I show you the next method, which is sum. Sum I already told, like it's the opposite of Array.every method, and if you can guess, so you can write in the comment section like what is the sum method. But I will show you here. Sum is very simple, like here just instead of this every you have to write sum, and apart from this everything will be the same, means the syntax. Okay, everything will be the same. But here now if I write here 1 means just it will check like any sum means few, right? Few values if match the condition, then it will give you the output is true. So here you can see 1 is not greater than 1, right? 1 is equals to 1, but 2 is greater than 1. So 1 value already matched. Even 3, 4, 5 those are also greater than 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 time condition is matching. So it will give you the output is true. So let's see here, see true. Now here if I write here 4, okay, so 4 means 1 is greater than 4, 2 is greater than 4, 3 is greater than 4, but 4 is not greater than 4 because 4 is equals to 4 and 5 is more than 4, right? So that's why here it's matching 3 times this condition. So it will give you the output is true again. Now here suppose if I write here 6, so see 6 is not matching any time, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 both are less than 6. So that time this condition is not matching. So this time it will give you the output is false. You can see here. So I hope it is clear. Again I will explain. Every means it will check every values. I mean whatever condition you will pass here, so that condition it will check with your array, like it is matching that condition for every values or not. And in some for some method it will check only one values. If it match means your condition is success. I hope it is clear. If you have still any doubt, you can write in the comment section. You can follow me in my Insta ID. You will get in the description my Insta ID. There you can message me. I will always try to give you the reply. And you can subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript. If you want to learn the Angular and React, you can go to my channel. You will get lots of video in Angular and React as well. Even in Java, after this JavaScript tutorial, I will start the React. So you can just follow my channel. Means you can subscribe my channel and you can watch and enjoy.